What?
Do not turn your phone
No, I'm not turning it off. I don't want.
I'm going to seize your phone now.
I'm not turning.
I'm going to seize your phone at the moment on section 43 of terrorism.
In today's episode, a routine bit of filming outside a London police station spirals out of control. A sergeant confronts an independent journalist, insisting on a press pass that the law doesn't even require. Moments later, he grabs the journalist's phone and detains him under the Terrorism Act. What started as a calm exchange quickly exposes a shocking abuse of authority. And the story doesn't stop at the station doors. This incident carried a hefty price, one paid by taxpayers, not the officer. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see just how costly this mistake really was. Let's dive in.
Any reason why you're filming the police station?
Yeah, there is a reason. Yeah.
What is the reason?
Can you please identify yourself first?
Sorry?
Can you please identify yourself
Yeah,
first?
I'm Sergeant Mark Coates.
Sergeant Mark. And shoulder number?
Film number's there.
5377.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm independent journalist. I'm gathering footage for a story.
You're an independent journalist?
Yes.
Have you got a press pass?
I'm independent. So.
Okay, you don't work for anyone then?
So do you know what
No,
independent
but
is?
as in, are you working for a particular company?
No, I'm independent. I work for myself.
Right here, you can clearly see the sergeant's mindset. He's not focused on the law, he's focused on control. By insisting on a press pass, he's trying to build a barrier that simply doesn't exist. In the UK, journalism isn't licensed. You don't need a card, and you don't need permission. Anyone with a camera has the right to record in public. This demand isn't about legality, it's pure ego on display.
So what is the purpose of filming today?
Just gathering some footage for a story, sir.
What's the story?
I cannot tell. I'm still working on it, so I cannot say.
But what is the reason that you're filming? Because this is a secure police building.
Yeah.
We obviously have to ask questions why people are filming.
Yeah. And I told you.
You said it's for a story, but you haven't told me what the story's about.
But I don't have to tell you about the stories, but I'm still working on it, right? So it's not finished. If it's finished, when I publish it, you'll see what the story is. But I'm still working on it, so I don't want to compromise my story.
You're not going to compromise the story, because I'm not. From my point of view, I just need to be happy that you're here for the right reasons.
Yeah.
Because police officers and police buildings are potential targets
Okay.
for terrorism and attacks, etc. So I have to be happy. The reason why you're here,
So how can I make you happy?
by telling me what the idea is your story is about.
I cannot tell you about the story. I'm just gathering some footage. So I'm an independent journalist, and that's it really.
But you've got a story in mind,
Yeah, I do have story in mind. Yeah.
so I need to know what that story is about. Is it to do with what the security like around the police building, what the coming and goings?
I cannot tell.
Because the route we're going to go down is you're going to be stopped and searched under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, whereby we will seize your phone, we'll look at your phone and say, look at what...
You're gonna seize my phone.
We can seize your phone if we feel we have to.
On
But
what ground, sir?
under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
When the press pass excuse failed, he immediately jumped to Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. That law is meant for genuine, evidence-based suspicions of terrorism, not for someone simply holding a camera. And that's exactly where the danger lies. When laws are written this broadly, they invite abuse. Instead of safeguarding the public, they become powerful tools of intimidation.
What grounds? What
I'm
grounds?
just
is
telling
it?
you, let me explain.
Okay.
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, you can be stopped and detained and searched. And part of that search, we can look at your phone and we can see what photographs you've got.
Yeah, but
Don't
you
turn
have
your phone off.
No, I'm not turning my
Take
phone
your
off.
phone off, we will see
No,
your
no, I'm not turning your phone off.
Right, so that's the route we can go down. I'm not saying we will go down that route, but at the
Okay.
moment, I'm not satisfied. The reason why you're filming here, you've told me it's for a story.
Yeah, I'm
Tell me
independent
it's
journalist.
independent. Yeah, tell me that.
Yeah.
But you can't tell me what the story's about.
But-
Do not turn your
No,
phone
I'm
off.
not turning it off. I don't want.
I'm going to seize your phone now.
I'm not turning.
I'm going to seize your phone at the moment on Section 43 of Terrorism Act, because you seem to be trying to... for a story.
Yeah, I'm independent journalist.
Yeah,
Yeah.
tell me that.
Yeah.
But you can't tell me what the story's about.
But-
Do not turn your
No,
phone
I'm not turning it off. I don't want.
Seize your
No,
phone.
no,
I'm
no.
gonna seize your phone
No,
now.
I'm not turning.
Just hold that, Joe. I'm going to seize your phone at the moment on Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
Then comes the phone grab, and think about what that really means. Your phone holds your entire private life, your photos, messages, and work. For a journalist, it's even more, its sources and evidence. Taking it without any legal grounds isn't just unlawful, it's a direct attack on freedom of expression. And notice how the sergeant doesn't even pause, because in his mind, authority outweighs rights.
Because you seem to be trying to turn it
No,
off.
no, just because I couldn't hold it. Please keep recording. Keep recording. Yeah.
It's recording. It's
I'm not
recording.
gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop. I want to keep recording, sir. I want to keep recording.
You can see it's still recording.
Okay.
But on two occasions, you went like that to press a
No, no, no. Because I'm just filming, and I just wanted to make sure I hold it correctly. I don't want to stop filming. Please keep filming. Oh, now it's stop filming. I want to continue filming. Can I continue
Have
filming?
you got any ID on you, sir?
Sorry.
Listen to my.
Sorry. I just want.
Return it to.
Sorry. Can I just want to record. Yeah, just to make sure.
Isn't your GoPro
Right,
filming?
Stephen.
Yeah.
Is your GoPro
I'm
filming?
not sure. Sorry. Hold on. I don't want to turn it
Do a
off.
favour, mate. Can you go into the front office and see if they're aware
Yeah.
of this
So
gentleman
can you please record me? Can you record me?
the rear
No, no.
entrance?
Listen to what my.
Yeah,
listen
but
to what
I just
my
want
How long it's been in?
I want to make sure.
This is all being recorded anyway.
Okay.
Audio and visual.
Okay.
Okay.
Have you got any ID, sir?
So have I committed a crime?
I'm about to. Right, we'll go down over it then. You're now detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. You're going to be stopped and searched. Part of that, I need your details so I can check to see who you are, and we have the power
But
to.
you're abusing. Okay. So if I don't give you my name, are you going to arrest me?
I'm not saying I'm going to arrest you. I'm saying you'll be detained. I've asked you the reason why you're filming.
Yeah.
You've told me for a story.
Yeah.
You're for
I'm
a
independent
Which
journalist.
is fine. I
Yeah.
understand that. But you can't tell me the story. So you,
But
you
I
haven't-
cannot tell you the story, right? Because I'm working on it. It's not finished yet, sir.
But you must have a concept.
Yeah, I'm just walking around and film in the city of
And
London.
you're filming a police station.
Yeah, why not? I'm staying on a public, right?
Yes,
This is a public pavement.
Yep.
So you took my phone, right?
I've took your phone because I think you were trying to.
No, I don't want to. I just want to be filmed because I want to make sure what I'm doing is right. I'm not hiding. I want to keep filming. I don't want to stop filming. Please
that's
film
fine.
me. I want. Can I have?
It's
Can
all
I have?
being
So you
recorded.
seize my phone, and I'm not happy with seizing my phone.
We haven't seized it. We've taken it off you.
Well,
because
we take it,
you
but it's not
attempted,
in
I
me.
believe, to
It's
turn
not
it
in
off.
me. No, I don't want to turn it off. I want to continue filming. Can I have my phone and continue filming, sir?
At the moment, you're detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Part of that is we are going to examine your phone for photographs you've been taken today, and power to do that is under Section 43. And also, I need to do some name checks on you, so I need some of your ID.
Okay.
When the auditor challenges the seizure of his phone, the sergeant tries to play word games. He insists it isn't a seizure, that they just took it to stop him switching it off. That's nonsense. The moment police take control of someone's property against their will, it's a seizure. Calling it something else doesn't make it lawful. And then the real motive slips out. The detention under Section 43 is being used as a cover to dig through the phone for photos and videos.
So if I don't give you my name, are you going to arrest me?
Not particularly, but we will make some more inquiries. The quicker we get your ID, the quicker we can check.
So if it is a lawful order, I give him a lawful order to give my
I'm telling you,
identity.
under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act,
Yeah.
you are detained. As part of that, we have the power to look at your phone and also do some checks on you and to search you.
Okay, but so is it a lawful order?
It's an order. It's a
I
power.
give him a lawful order. So if you give me a lawful order to give you my name and date of birth, I'm gonna give it, but under the threat of arrest. If you don't
It's
give
not
me,
under threat of arrest.
so if it's not under the threat of arrest, I don't want to give it.
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, we need to do some checks on you. Have you got? Like, you are detained for a search.
Oh, I'm detained. Okay, I'm not gonna answer any questions.
You take your bag off, please.
Okay,
Put your phone away for the time being, okay?
I do not agree on any search to seizures.
Right. Shall I explain why you've been detained then?
Explain what are the grounds?
Because you are seen outside the police station
Yeah.
filming. As we've passed you, you're holding your phone like this, so we can photograph yourself, but clearly filming the gate. Part of that gate is a security pad, so I don't know whether you're filming to see if officers are pressing that to get access to the building. This is a police building. You gave a reason you're an independent journalist and you're
Yeah.
making a story.
Yeah.
Story. But you can't tell me the context of that story. You can't tell me why you're here.
I told you.
You haven't. You
I
said,
told you, sir.
what's the story about?
I told you, I'm just walking around London and filming.
The sergeant's justification for stretching Section 43 doesn't even come close to holding up. First, he points to a keypad on the station gate, claiming it might have been caught on camera, but that keypad is in plain public view every single day. Pretending it's some kind of protected secret is downright ridiculous. And filming it isn't a crime. Then he falls back on the auditor's refusal to explain himself. But choosing not to engage isn't suspicious, it's a right. No one is required to tell the police why they're standing in a public place. Calling that grounds is nothing more than punishing someone for not doing what you say.
But you
That's
said
it.
you're making a film about the police station.
Police station, whatever I see, maybe the other things I
But
see.
what's the reason for that?
I'm independent journalist. This is what the journalists do. Go around and film. That's it.
But there's got to be the story you're doing.
Yeah.
There's some context to that story.
Yeah, but
That's
the
why.
context, I don't know what I'm going to see, right?
That's why you've been searched. Because
Okay.
you can't tell me why you're here.
I don't agree. I don't agree on any
That's
search
fine.
and
Don't
seizure.
need to.
Okay. Sorry, what's your name and
It's
the show number?
Terry, 5458.
5458. Okay.
SO.
Okay.
Attached
So
to
are
some
you
of the
recording that just for information?
I hope so.
Okay, that's fine. Have you got anything?
But I don't answer any questions.
Right, I'm going to ask you one question. If you don't want to answer, you don't have to. Have you got anything on you that can harm me or harm
I don't
you?
answer any questions.
That's fine. I'm Sergeant Mark Coates. Warrant numbers 218.
Sergeant Marcos.
218186 attached to Southwark Police Station. You are detained
218186.
You are detained under
Okay.
section 43.
I don't agree. I don't agree with any search and seizure. I'm gonna file a civil claim against you because you're violating my rights. I'm staying on public property, peacefully exercising my rights to film in public. I've done nothing wrong.
I haven't said you've done anything
What
wrong.
grounds do you have to believe I'm a terrorist?
I didn't say you were a terrorist. I
So
said you're-
why are you using Section 43 of Terrorism Act if I'm not a terrorist?
Nice and calm.
Because you are filming outside a police station.
But you said I'm not a terrorist, sir.
I didn't say you were a terrorist. I said you're detained under section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
So do you think I'm a terrorist?
I didn't say you were.
Why using Section 43? You have to have a reasonable grounds to believe I'm a terrorist.
Because you're seen outside the police station filming a
But that-
keypad and officers going in and out.
But that's
And in
not
this current role-
real ground.
But in this current role, obviously, a lot of police officers are targeted by
Hmm.
people who wish to do us harm.
You don't have reasonable grounds, sir.
Right here, the sergeant gives the whole game away. When asked if he actually suspects terrorism, he flat out admits he doesn't. That admission destroys his authority instantly. Section 43 only applies when there's genuine, reasonable suspicion of terrorism. Without that, the power doesn't exist. Repeating Section 43 over and over doesn't make it lawful, it just exposes the bluff.
You're violating my rights with this search. I don't agree on that. You seized my phone.
We haven't
You
seized
searched
your
me.
phone. I
You
said
took it away from me.
Because I believe you were attempting to switch it off.
But you cannot stop me of doing what I want with
I've
my
asked
phone.
you twice not to try and touch your phone because I believe you might.
Yeah,
try-
because my hand was tired.
You keep talking over me. I can't explain unless you let me explain to you.
I don't answer any questions.
Shall I, well, if you don't answer the question, I'm going to explain why we've got your phone. On 2 occasions, while you were filming me, which you've got the right to do, in the building, in my opinion, you attempted to switch the phone either on or off and possibly delete some footage on that phone. So that's
So you
why,
prevent me from using my technology.
So let me finish. So I told you on one occasion, please do not attempt to switch your phone off and do anything with it, which you stopped doing. Then on the second occasion, you tried to do exactly the same. I told you if you carried on doing that, your phone will be taken off you. And that's what we've done. We haven't seized your phone. We are going to examine your phone for photographs under section 43, but we haven't seized your phone. We have the power to seize your phone if we feel there is evidence on there. But at the moment we haven't seized it. We've just taken it off you to stop you trying to delete stuff. Does that explain it?
I don't answer any questions.
Can you turn around for me again?
This is unlawful. Unlawful. I've done nothing wrong. Yeah. You hear from me. I'm going to file a lawsuit against you. This is absolutely illegal what you're doing. I do not agree on searching my back.
You may not agree on it, sir, but I've tried to explain on a number of occasions.
Yeah. I don't agree on that. This is unlawful search of my back. Unlawful. Sorry, what are you expecting to find, sir? You have to tell me what you're expecting to find from my back under Section 42 of Terrorism Act. What are you expecting to find, sir?
There may be evidence that you are using.
Like what?
If you're not going to keep talking over me, I'm not going to be able to explain to you. Are you?
Okay. You have to tell me before starting the search, actually. Can you tell me what you're expecting to find in my back and in myself?
I'll explain to you. You've been detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act because we have the power to search your phone and your bag and you for any article.
But you have to tell me. You have to tell me.
You don't want to talk or you do want to talk?
I just want to understand.
Any article that you may use in the event of planning a terrorist attack.
Like what?
Any article. A camera, a weapon, anything.
This is where the sergeant shows just how far he's drifted from the law. He claims Section 43 lets him search for any article, a camera, a weapon, anything at all. But that's simply not what the law says. The power only covers items that could reasonably be connected to terrorism. Stretching it to include anything someone's carrying turns the search into a free-for-all. A camera isn't a weapon. A phone isn't a bomb. By treating everyday objects as threats, the sergeant isn't enforcing the law, he's rewriting it.
The people think I'm terrorist now.
No one thinks that, sir.
Yeah, sure. I'm here, you're searching my back like I've done something wrong. Crazy. Crazy.
You highlighted yourself by standing outside the police station.
Crazy,
recording
crazy.
anyway.
You're violating my rights.
entirely sure when I'm going to do this.
I've explained to you on a couple of occasions the reason why you've been detained.
You have no grounds. Please don't use them.
Back line.
Aye, aye, aye.
Just wait there a second, please. The car's coming out. Only halfway now. Hello? Wait there, please.
Can I also have the water, please?
If you don't mind, you'll have that when we're finished with the search, okay?
Okay.
I don't know what's in there.
Oh, okay.
Just for safety, for everyone's safety.
Okay. Okay, a thorough search by the sergeant.
At the end of it all, the outcome couldn't be clearer. The detention was ruled unlawful, and taxpayers were left to pick up the bill. £1,500 paid out because a sergeant thought he could twist the Terrorism Act to suit his own power trip. But this wasn't just one bad decision, it was a total collapse of how the law is meant to function. A phone taken without cause. A search with no defined target. A detention without suspicion. Every safeguard designed to protect the public was ignored. That's why cases like this matter, they expose how fragile our rights become when authority goes unchecked. And unless people understand the limits of police power, these mistakes will keep costing more, in money, in trust, and in freedom. That's exactly why I created my Know Your Rights guide. It breaks down laws like Section 43 in simple English, so you'll always know where the line is. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit subscribe, share this video, and drop your thoughts below. The more people see cases like this, the harder it becomes for abuses of power to go unseen. Thanks for watching, and remember, your rights only matter if you know them.